I know why your manifestations are not working. You might doubt it, but believe me, I know. Because my manifestations were not working for the same reason. I studied this. What do you do when it's not working? You find why it's not working. And I did. I found the only thing that I was sweeping under the rug, that I was surpassing, avoiding unconsciously. You're not even aware of it. So I will try to help you become aware of it first. Being aware of it is already the solution itself. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. How do you get what you want? Or why don't you get it? What's holding you back? What's the reason that your manifestations are not happening? If there is no one blocking it other than you, why it is not happening? You are blocking it. Blocking. We are always blocking it. Neville Goddard says you already have it. Live in the wish fulfilled. You know, there is no separation. You already have what you want. You already are what you want. So what can take away this thing that you already have, that you already are from you? There is no other force that is trying to separate you from what you want. The only reason why your manifestations are not happening is because you're blocking it. And by blocking it, what I mean is that you're not trying to block it. You're not even aware that you're blocking it. You know, I would always think I'm abundant, I'm perfect, I'm loved, I'm cherished, universe loves me, I get everything I want. I always thought that this was my belief. It wasn't. I was repeating it, yes. I was affirming it, yes. The dominant thought, the dominant belief that was driving all my actions, my mood, feelings and thoughts was exactly the opposite. Unconsciously driven by the lack, by not having enough, by the belief that my life isn't perfect yet. You know what I said yet? Because if I get it, I believed my life would be perfect. You know, I was here and all my desires, dream reality and dream version was there. So I was always this person trying to get it, work for it, do something for it, trying to fix my life so that I can get it. There is this constant hustle, trying, fixing, because I'm still trying to manifest. If I already had everything I want, if there were no separation, if I was already whole, complete, fulfilled, and happy, I wouldn't need those things. I wouldn't trying to manifest in the first place. I wouldn't click on this video and watch this in the first place. Please don't take it personally. I did too. This is why I'm telling you. I've been watching these kind of videos, like trying to find why manifestations were not working, but then I figured this is the reason why it's not working, because I'm trying to get these things and it's not working. So I need to watch these videos and learn why I'm not getting them, because I'm desperately in need of them. I need them. I desperately want them. Which means without getting them, I'm not going to be complete. Without or this is better. If I get them, my life is going to be perfect. If I get them, I will then start serving to my life's purpose, because I will be secured, safe, and free. Because usually what we think we want is not the car, the partner, the house, the job, whatever. It's always the very core, deep emotions, feelings like freedom, security, feeling safe, loved, worthy, and precious. That's all we want. Do you think that when you get this desired reality, you will wake up smiling, even laughing? Yeah, just live from that highest potential all the time? No, we won't. I will again wake up like today and maybe cry, because I did, because I couldn't get this other thing, because something didn't happen the way I wanted, or for no reason, I would still wake up like I did today. What's the difference between me and that version of me that has everything I want? It's only a feeling. Yes, she has the car, the partner, the house. If she's still crying this morning, what is the real difference? The car is not enough to make her happy every day, every morning. What's the difference? It's how much you love your life today. It's how much you are fulfilled, grateful, how much you feel complete, whole, how much you don't need anything else, and whether your actions and thoughts and feelings are driven by that very dominant thought that you're abundant, that you're perfect, loved, worthy, everything works out for you. So when we think that this is our dominant thought, that I believe I'm abundant, that I'm shifting to that reality where I'm abundant, we are still acting from that limiting belief, because it's ingrained in our DNAs and our systems. It's so deep. And working on it, doing the inner work for a week or month, is not going to solve it. It's not a destination. It's a process. You keep doing. It's like unlocking these doors. Constantly it closes and you unlock again, and every day you wake up, unlock the same doors, trying to reach to that limitless potential of yours. That's pure love. You are whole and you are pure love and limitless potential in that very moment already. You don't need the car, the partner, the house, the job, anything. There is no separation. It's true. It's already inside. You already have it. Why don't you see it then? Because we build these blockages against it. And these blockages, like these doors that we unlock, these are our limiting beliefs. And every time we unlock and place the positive, empowering belief instead, which is pure love, limitless potential, I have everything I want, I'm worthy, I'm loved, then the shift starts happening, because you are one with it. You don't need anything. You're not trying to manifest. You're not trying to get. If you're trying to get something, you should feel all those emotions behind it and feel that you're already safe, secured, free, loved, worthy, here and right now, without getting the car, the house, the partner, and without getting any manifestations at all. Not manifesting anything. Manifestation doesn't even begin before you feel all that feelings associated with your desires. Feel all of them right now here. Find within yourself and remove all the blockages against them. Do you know what I mean here? You really don't realize how deep this is, because I didn't. I already knew that. I've watched thousands of content on this. It's a matter of consciousness. It's a matter of reaching love. If you look at Rumi, he says he didn't have manifestations at his time, but he had talked about this pure love that you have and all the blockages that you've built against it. And to find that limitless potential in you, to find everything you want in this life within you, you need to remove those blockages, because there is no separation. You already have it. It's only about you and you only. And you will feel whole and complete when you stop trying to manifest, when you stop needing, when you stop fixing yourself so that you can get something. It starts and ends within. As within, so without. The shift will begin inside out. Maybe you will not even have the same desires that you had. And that's the answer.